Guys, welcome back to Kenton's Kitchen. This is your chef who believes that when you combine good flavors, you come up with an extra. Today we're going to do a fun recipe. We'll be doing pasta from scratch without a pasta machine. So if you don't have pasta at home, please don't worry about going to the supermarket or to the shop to buy it, because Kenton got you. So let's do this. As usual, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I post. Let's do this. For ingredients, we're going to use 3 eggs and some home baking flour. Let's get into the kneading. So for flour, we're going to use 2 cups. So I'm going to use this cup to measure. In our flour, we're going to make a hole at the center. Then break our eggs. I'm going to add a considerable amount of salt and some small amount of vegetable oil. I'll start whisking this all together. That's the importance of the oil that you made at the center of the dough. If your dough is dry, you can optionally add a little bit of water. I'm just going to add a splash of water. Don't add too much, just add a little. Yeah, and now we'll start kneading using our hands. So I'm going to remove it from the bowl and transfer it into my surface. Yeah, and now start kneading it on my surface. You'll need to knead your dough for about 10 minutes so that you get the right consistency. So I'm going to continue doing this. Our dough is coming together well. So our dough has come up well. Yeah, I'm going to mold it into a circular ball. And then to test if your dough is ready, just press it at the center. If it goes back to the way it was, your dough is ready. If it doesn't, know that it's yet to. So at this point, my dough is ready. And then let it settle for about 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, so I'm going to put this back into my bowl and then cover it. Let it settle for 30 minutes. So our dough has been resting for about 40 minutes and right now it's so soft. So I'm just going to cut it into 2 halves so that I get a dough that is workable. Yeah. So I'll now start rolling my dough out. So after rolling it out, I'm going to fold it a bit. Yeah, and then roll again. After rolling it out again, I'm going to fold it again into a rectangular shape. Then continue rolling. I'm going to do this for 3 times. This is just to create some firmness in the pasta. Just continuing to roll until it's so thin, like you can see your hands through the dough. So I'm going to continue rolling this. So this is how our pasta sheet looks like. It's so thin. So I'm going to just spread some flour on top before I fold it. I don't want my pasta to be that long, so I'm just going to cut it at this point. Yeah, and now start making the pasta. So I'm going to sprinkle some flour on my pasta. So at this point you can make your pasta any shape that you want. Yeah, and then this one I'm going to put aside, and then I'll start to cut the other dough. And there you have your pasta. So this pasta you can store it in your fridge or use it while fresh. So for today I'm going to cook mine. Yeah, and I'm going to show you the full process. So I've boiled some water and I've added some salt. So I'm just going to add my pasta. I'm gonna let it boil for some few minutes. Yeah, so this is our pasta. We've boiled it, approximately boil it for 3 minutes. We're serving our pasta with some minced meat. I'm just going to combine this. This has been boiling for a while. Yeah, so I'm just going to combine my pasta over here and the minced meat. So at this point, we're just going to garnish using some coriander.